Hello, my name is Anthony Harrell, and I am a cybersecurity engineer. I work with PKI currently, along with certificate management and data protection and data discovery. And today I'm here to highlight a project I have recently worked on, specifically a spear phishing prevention or mitigation application. Now, this is a Python application that utilizes OpenAI and NiceGui to spin up spearfishes based on user information, and then it spins up tips on that specific spearfishing and user information. And what this is doing is it's helping the user over time become accustomed to spot spearfishes so they know when to or what to do when they see one in the wild, or the signs that spearfishing is on her screen or on her phone or on her workstation when they see it while working or just out and about and on her phone or over a SMS message. For some more context, spearfishes are a threat to every organization with data and or people to protect. And with the growth of AI, attackers are utilizing artificial intelligence to create faster, more specific, more tailored, more specific spearfishes that will honestly make it harder for users to not fall for. So it's up to us as cybersecurity professionals to prevent users from falling for these messages. And this tool is just one way or just one tool in general that can be utilized to accomplish this. So this is a spear phishing mitigation tool that trains individuals again how to spot a spearfish or the signs of a spearfish and tips on how to do that. So let's begin with a demo. I'm going to start the code up and then it will come up. I have it running on my local workstation right now, my local computer. So there's two options here. A user can manually enter their information and generate a phish with manual data, or they can have ChatGPT, which is in the back end, search the internet for their name and their career and generate a spearfish on that. So I'm gonna first test it out with my information. I'm 24, my family. You can enter a general message. I'm gonna have two brothers and two sisters, one mother and stepdad. My hobbies are basketball, video games, and cybersecurity research. Here we can put following for fishes, and then generate a fish. Sometimes it can take 30 seconds. Sometimes it can take minutes. What it's doing is it's sending a call to OpenAI. It's waiting for the message to return back. It's then sending that same message back to OpenAI, and OpenAI is returning tips. So the message is generating right now. Let's give it a second to come up. All right, here we have the message printed out. So here we can see the phishing message outlined in red. We can see that the message is tailored to me. It has a subject at the top. The name is omitted. It has things like my passion for technology and knowledge of the gaming industry. It has the link here, and this is what the spirit phishing email will look like in real life. You see a hyperlink, a telltale sign that something fishy may be up. And here we have the tips at the bottom on how not to fall for this. It says be wary of urgent, threatening language in emails, and we all know, of course, if you've received an email like that, you might want to slow down, make sure the person sending it is who they say they are. It says, when in doubt, contact the company directly through the official website or customer service number. I feel like you should do this even when you're not in doubt. You really don't want to click on an external email. For the most part, you can go to your vendor's portal. If you're just a regular user, go to like your phone company website or whoever sent that message website itself. Just be wary, especially on a phone, clicking on a link. So that's the information with manual data. So let's generate it with with a search from OpenAI. Hey, let's say I want to spearfish Cam Newton. That's a random name. I don't know why that came to mind. He's a football player. And let's see what's returned. It's making a call again, and it's wow, it's generated a message pretty fast this time. So here we have a invitation for an interview tailored to Cam Newton. We have a name. I'm not sure this is the actual sports editor. If it is, that's really crazy. It highlights how fast and easy OpenAI is creating spearfishes. It has the email, the time, the location, MetLife Stadium. Pretty detailed message. And here are the tips generated as a result of that message. Be cautious of emails requesting personal information, especially account updates. Yep, for sure. Look for any spelling or grammar errors in the email, as it's a common sign of a phishing attempt. As we know with AI, the spelling and grammar errors might be at a limited rates going forward. So that's a cool tip, but it may not be enough. Check the sender's email address. These are just nice little general tips. So going to the coding portion of the application, it's a pretty standard setup. We have the variables to utilize or initialize the individual's information that's changed with the input from the front end. Have my API key being stored in a different file. Here we have the first method or function. It's sending a call to ChatGPT. Here's the prompt. I had to fine tune this quite a bit of times to get it how I want it. It started out with a hey, I'm this, and this, generate a phishing message. And I coded in a few example phishing messages. So OpenAI is saying, hey, I'm this, and this. Give me a spear phishing message. Here are some examples. And it's doing the same thing pretty much with the specific user information where we're searching the web. In this prompt, I'm just asking ChatGPT to search the web. We're using the 3.5 engine. I could use the newer engine, I believe it's 4.0, but 3.5 does the job pretty well. And I think it's cheaper in this case. I'm not 100% sure. The parameters of the prompt itself or the call itself, we're utilizing 1,000 tokens. So pretty good amount for this use case. And that's just so we get that creative touch to the message. The temperature is 1. Further utilizing the full potential of ChatGPT and creating a more creative message. And finally, we have the function to spin up the tips for the message. So we have the message being sent to this function, and we have ChatGPT answering it again, like, hey, here's the phishing message that you spun up. Give me tips on how to prevent this. And I have some example tips, further fine tuning the prompts and giving me that answer I want. So yeah, that's pretty much the program. We have some front end stuff at the bottom, some back end work. You take a look on your own. If you want to reach out to me with any questions, that'd be good as well. So that's pretty much the program. Hopefully this program can help someone, organization, maybe individual fight spirit phishing messages. If I were to continue this program or this project on the side, I would add some security features such as maybe access control, only allowing certain individuals to access it, maybe add some parameter serialization so users can't just input anything in the text fields. I would also fine tune the data more to get even more creative messages and even more detailed tips. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me, reach out to my email, or reach out to me on the side.